So here is just a quick demonstration of the SBUS failover redundancy using a TDR18 with a TDMX. My radio is currently on ETHOS 1.6.2 with the internal module on 3.0.2. I'll start by registering and binding the TDR18 under Model Setup, RF System, Internal Module, State is on, Protocol is TD Mode. I'll scroll down to Register and click on Register and hold the button down on the TDR18 and turn it on. Then I'll click Register on the radio and I get registration OK. Next, I'll bind the TDR18 to RX1. So I'll click RX1 and just power cycle the TDR18. And the bind is OK. And I can operate the servo on channel 4 using my rudder. Next, I'll set the pin 1 to SBUS in by clicking TDR18, Options, and set pin 1 to SBUS in at the bottom. Now I'll register and bind the TDMX. I'm just using a servo extension here to make it easy to plug in. And I have the white wire from the TDMX, which is SBUS out. So again, under Model Setup, RF System, I'll scroll down to Register, hold the button down on the TDMX and power it up. I'm going to change the UID to 1 and then click Register. And next, I'll bind it into RX2 by clicking RX2 and then just power cycle both receivers.
Bind.
I'll try again.
Bind.
There it is.
Telemetry recovered.
So now I have both receivers bound, giving the blue light. And I can control my servo once I power cycle everything.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
So with control signal coming from the TDR18, I'm going to click on TDR18. Actually, first I'll show that the receivers are both currently up to date. The TDR18 on 302 and TDMX on 303. And now to show the redundancy failover, I'll click on TDR18 and click on Reset Bind. And as soon as I click on Reset Bind, the TDMX is going, as soon as I click on yes, the TDMX will take over. And you can see the red light comes on the TDR18. But I can still operate the servo because the TDMX is sending the SBUS into the TDR18. And I have the servo connected on pin 4 of my TDR18.